So this is heading towards Bell Buckle, and we've been out in the woodsy round and round for 10-15 miles, and seen a lot of nice houses, but that's about it so far. Just driving and driving.
Look at that house way up there on the hill. Can't see it now with all these trees.
Yeah.
It's sitting right up there on top of the hill.
Half a mile. Turn right onto Peacock Street.
That's a whole
S10. So this must be the outskirts of Mayberry RFD. Oh, they want you driving slow. Look at that. Maybe there's a
Oh,
school.
look at there's a smiley.
I got down to 25 and got a smiley face.
That's funny. I've never seen
Welcome to
that.
Bell Buckle.
I've never seen a smiley face like that on there. That was cute.
I actually think some of these old houses are really cool.
Yeah, I do too. I like those.
That's what I grew up in.
They look- this is neat.
Old homes like that.
Little porches.
Yeah.
Turn right onto Peacock Street. Then turn left onto Main Street.
East Peacock. And then on to Main Street. Look at us go.
Turn left onto Main Street. In a quarter mile, take a slight left turn onto Railroad Square Street East.
Yes, we're building that.
Somebody is putting a house in right here.
Looks like they're redoing it or something.
So this is Bell Buckle as you're coming into town. You'd be coming from this direction here if you come from the Interstate 24. They've got antiques, a little gas station place there, Farm Girls Goods, a little train, and it's all lit up. It probably looks pretty good at night. This is just a portion of it. All the shops as you go down along this block. This is where you'll find a Bell Buckle Cafe, Southern Charm, Everybody's Antiques, Bell Buckle Nutrition. It's just a quiet place to come for the day. Farm Girls Goods.
Put some stuff on top of your car.
Look at this fat little planter
We've got a
basket.
depot.
Tennessee.
Look at this
Truck.
Oh, look at this thing.
That's nice.
Oh, wow.
It was. Almost too rock too far forward for me. I didn't have to put a little ballast in the back.
You didn't have to put a quarter in?
Well, it's actually pretty comfortable, isn't
It is. It's made just about the right shape. Oh wait, I got a text says you're on the wait list.
Yay.
Checking mine 2 minutes ago. I guess I got just enough service here. I got 1 bar now. It's over on this side of town. I'll just have to sit here and wait.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we're going in.
See, this one has.
Oh, look, that one has purple.
Walking into the girls. That's cool. I like that. Walking sticks. Here in Bell Buckle, Tennessee. Genuine Ford. We got backpacks. Little of this and little of that. Just gonna pan around a little, that's all. Yep. This is the inside of the cafe. See, look, you can see the guitars and the mandolin. Apparently that used to be a stage. Pictures of people, musicians. Sheldon and Yvonne. Here in the Bell Buckle Cafe, not the cafe, but another building about down from the cafe. I don't remember the name of it. And they got this really cool stuff. Check out these boots. $100, size 7. Really cool. And they got these bags. Cool stuff. All winter clothes and hats, 25% off. I got wallets and keychains. Very cool. $83 on these shoes. Yeah, so wife wanted to come in here with a friend, and we're here. Yeah, pretty cool. Little of this, little of that. And then there's a little bakery. The dressing room there. They got a bakery.
Here's one for you, honey. Good news.
I like these log cushions. These are soft cushions. They look like a piece of log. And there's the sweets. Oh yeah. Well, here's another different thrift shop. Phillips General Store. Antiques, quilts, dolls, and gifts. Compliments of Royal Crown Bottling Company. I don't know who that guy is at all. Got some bee's nest. Some little of everything. See chandeliers, pictures of angels and cupids. I saw this picture. Audrey Hepburn. Different pictures of Audrey Hepburn. Those little turning things right there. Some accolators. Baby. Do not touch or play with the cash register. Thank you. I've got a couple of them in here. Yes, this is old stuff. This isn't China. This isn't China thrift shop. It's early American thrift shop.
I have a stereo upstairs in my house with my grandmother's. It does AM, FM, 8-track record player, and it's still like new. It was the last console stereo that I think Sears sold. It had all that combination. It's got albums in it, some 8-tracks.
Got some Christmas. There's Andrew Jackson. Oh. Yep. Here we are. Fire station.
Yeah.
And we're headed to the ice cream parlor. And there's a little guitar place too. I don't think I took any video of inside the guitar place. And we're off.
Is that young lady that's going to be still making the fire?
Yes, sir. She makes them every morning. She just head home for the day around 12.
The ice cream parlor. As we leave Belt Buckle to go back north. This is the drive.